Sabrina Ionescu just proved why she's the most underrated superstar in the WNBA. Going into Las Vegas against one of the toughest teams in the league, most fans expected a close battle. Instead, Sabrina completely controlled the game. She finished with 16 points, 10 rebounds, and 4 assists, but the stats don't even tell the full story. Every time the Aces tried to build momentum, Sabrina slowed the game down, made the right read, and punished every mistake. She shot efficiently, knocked down her free throws, and kept creating open looks for her teammates. The biggest difference wasn't her scoring, it was her control. During the second and third quarters, she dictated the pace and helped New York build a lead the Aces could never recover from. Then, when the pressure got highest in the fourth quarter, she stayed calm and closed the door. Final score, Liberty 87, Aces 76. If you only look at highlights, you'll miss it. But if you actually watch the game, Sabrina Ionescu was the reason New York walked out with an 11-point win.